In today's video, we are going to talk about something different. Instead of the usual big players, we are focusing on a company that is still relatively new in the market and not widely talked about it. And however, what makes it interesting is the people behind it. The same expert who were once instrumental in building and managing one of the largest standalone health insurance company in India. Now they have come together and launched a new venture in the market, which is Galaxy Health Insurance. So before continuing further, let me quickly introduce myself. So hi, I am Mariam and I represent PolicyHub, and at PolicyHub we make insurance simple and easy to understand. And here we don't just sell policies, we guide you in making the right decision, and we shortlist the best variant based on your age, family size and budget. And we also provide proper support at the time of claim so that you don't have to struggle alone. And today we will break it down in detail what this company offers, whether it's actually worth considering, and if it can be a strong alternative to the established players. And we will talk about Galaxy Health Insurance and its popular Galaxy Promise Plan. We will break down all its variants so you can clearly understand what each option offers you and which one is right for you. So one important thing to understand here is the best health insurance plan is not the same for everyone, and that's why at PolicyHub we analyze your profile and help you choose the plan or variant that fits you best. To clear all confusions, you can book your free consultation and link is given in the description. So if we talk about Galaxy Health Insurance, Galaxy Health Insurance Company Limited, formerly known as Galaxy Health Insurance and Allied Insurance Company Limited, and it is a standalone health insurance provider in India, and the company is jointly promoted by the TVS family led by Sri Vanu Srinivasan and the family of Sri Veer Jagannatham, who is also the founder of Star Health and Allied Insurance and former CMD of United India Insurance. Galaxy Health Insurance was founded in 2024 and headquartered in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. The company focuses on offering comprehensive health insurance products designed to meet the evolving needs of Indian customers with a strong emphasis on technology. And currently, Mr. G. Srinivasan serves as the CEO and Managing Director of the company. And now coming to the plan, Galaxy Health Insurance offers the Galaxy Promise Plan, which is available in three variants: the Signature Plan, Elite Plan and Premier Plan. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. So in all three variants of Galaxy Promise Plan, the entry age for adults starts from 18 years and goes up to 65 years. Dependent children can be covered under a family floater plan from as early as 16 days up to 25 years. So this plan is available in both individual and family floater options, and the policy tenure can go up to a maximum of 3 years. Some insured options are designed according to each variant. Signature Plan offer high-end comprehensive protection with a sum insured ranging from 5 lakh to 1 crore, and the Elite Plan targets the mid-range segment where the sum insured typically ranges from 5 lakh to maximum 50 lakh. On the other hand, the Premier Plan provides entry-level coverage, so with sum insured options starting from 3 lakh and goes up to 25 lakh. So far, we have understood the overview of all three variants, but the real difference becomes clear when we look at their internal benefits in detail. So health insurance is not just about premium or sum insured. Small conditions like room rent limit, ambulance charges and pre and post hospitalization benefit can have a major impact at the time of claim. So now let's go step by step and compare the basic feature of Signature, Elite and Premier to understand which variant is stronger in real life situations. So if we compare room rent and hospitalization benefit, both Signature and Elite variant allow a deluxe room for sum insured between 5 lakh to 20 lakh and any room category for 25 lakh sum insured and above. And however, the Premier Plan comes with sub limit on room rent. For a sum insured of 3 lakh to 4 lakh, the limit is 1% of the sum insured. For 5 lakh to 10 lakh, it is 1% of the sum insured or a maximum of 7,500 rupees. And for 15 lakh sum insured and above sum insured, the room rent is capped at 10,000 rupees. Along with this, ICU expenses, including digital ICU with modern technological support, are covered in all three variants. Organ transplantation is also covered up to the full sum insured in all variants. And in the signature variant, you also get an additional sum insured benefit for complications related to the organ donor, which is not available in the elite and premier variant. And if we compare pre and post hospitalization benefit, the signature variant offers 90 days of pre-hospitalization and 180 days of post-hospitalization cover. And in elite variant, it is 60 days pre and 90 days post-hospitalization, while in the premier variant, it is 30 days pre-hospitalization and 60 days post-hospitalization coverage. And daycare procedures, second medical opinion, IU's treatment, and domiciliary hospitalization are fully covered up to the full sum insured in all three variants. Home care treatment is available only in the signature variant, where expenses are covered up to 10% of the sum insured or a maximum of 5 lakh. Modern treatments are covered in all three variants, but in the premier plan, they come with sublimits, whereas in signature and elite, they are covered up to the full sum insured. And if we talk about ambulance coverage, road ambulance expenses are covered up to the full sum insured in the signature variant, up to 10,000 rupees in the elite variant, and up to 5,000 rupees in the premier variant. Air ambulance is covered in all three variants up to 10% of the sum insured. And in elite and premier variant, there is an additional cap of 2.5 lakh rupees. All three variants offer a free health checkup benefit, but the amount and eligibility differ. So in the signature variant, you get this benefit every year, regardless of whether you have made a claim or not, up to 8,000 rupees for individual policies and 15,000 rupees for family floater policies. And in the elite variant, the health checkup benefit is available only in a claim-free year, with coverage up to 5,000 rupees for individuals and 10,000 rupees for family floaters. In the premier variant, this benefit is available after every 2 claim-free year, with coverage up to 1,500 rupees for individual policies and 2,500 for family floaters. And if we talk about treatments like bariatric surgery and cataract, different sublimits apply depending on the variant. So in the signature variant, for a sum insured between 5 lakh to 15 lakh, bariatric surgery is covered up to 3 lakh, and for 20 lakh and above sum insured, coverage goes up to 6 lakh. And in the case of cataract, the signature variant offers a strong advantage as the treatment is covered up to the full sum insured, which make it more comprehensive compared to typical plans with capped limit. And if we talk about the elite variant, it offers coverage of up to 2.5 lakh for bariatric surgery when the sum insured is between 5 lakh to 15 lakh, and up to 5 lakh when the sum insured is 20 lakh or above. For cataract treatment, the elite variant provides a maximum coverage of 60,000 rupees for a 5 lakh sum insured and up to 75,000 rupees for a sum insured of 7.5 lakh or more. And on the other hand, the premier variant has more conservative limits for bariatric surgery. Here you get coverage for up to 2 lakh for a sum insured between 3 lakh to 50 lakh, and up to 3 lakh when the sum insured is 20 lakh or above. And in the case of cataract, the coverage is 25,000 for a sum insured of 3 to 4 lakh, 35,000 for sum insured for 5 lakh sum insured, and up to 50,000 rupees for 7.5 lakh sum insured or higher sum insured. So this clearly shows that the signature variant is the most generous when it comes to high value treatments like bariatric surgery and cataract. The elite variant offers a balanced mid-range coverage, while the premier variant is a budget-friendly option where the limits are relatively tighter. So far, we have covered the basic features of all three variants, which defines the core protection at the time of hospitalization. But Galaxy Promise is not limited to just that. The real strength of this plan lies in its unique benefit, which set it apart from regular policies. So let's look at the unique benefits of signature, elite, and premier variant and understand which plan fits which type of customers best. So when it comes to unique benefits, signature variant clearly stand out as the most powerful. It covers 68 consumables along with admissions, records, and insurance processing charge. And this benefit is not available in the elite and premier variant. In the signature variant, you also get the premium promise benefit, where if you do not make any claim, your premium remains unchanged up to the age of 55. And talking about the restoration benefit, signature variant offers unlimited automatic restoration, which works for both same and different illnesses. And the elite variant also provides restoration of 100% of the sum insured, but it is applicable only for different illnesses. And however, the premier variant does not offer an automatic restoration feature. All three variants also cover newborn baby expenses, where the signature variant provides coverage up to 5 lakh and the elite variant up to 1 lakh and the premier variant up to 50,000 rupees. Along with this, the signature variant offers highly comprehensive maternity benefit. Delivery expenses are covered up to 2 lakh for both C-section and normal deliveries, and assisted reproduction treatment are covered up to 5 lakh. In addition, in utero fetal surgery is covered up to the full sum insured, and expenses related to surrogacy and oocyte donor are also covered up to the specified limits. And beyond maternity, the signature variant includes several advanced benefits. It covers sleep disorder treatment, including the polysomnography test up to 25,000, chronic severe refractory asthma up to 5 lakh, rehabilitation and pain management up to 20% of the sum insured, and hospice care up to 10% of the sum insured or a maximum of 5 lakh, compassionate travel up to 25,000, and repatriation of mortal remains up to 25,000. So in comparison, the elite variant offers more limited additional benefit, such as rehabilitation and pain management up to 25,000, compassionate travel up to 10,000, and repatriation of mortal remains up to 15,000. So these benefits are not available in the premier variant. And through the Gala Fit Pro Active Care program, all three variants offer up to 20% discount on renewal premium. And additionally, if you opt for treatment through a valuable service provider, all three variants provide coverage of up to 5,000. And if we talk about the optional cover that allow you to customize your policy based on your specific needs, these add-ons are especially useful for those who want extra protection beyond the basic cover. So whether it's daily hospital cash, accidental coverage, or reducing premium through a deductible. And the good part is that both signature and elite variant offers a wide range of optional benefit, but these add-ons are not available with the premier variant. So first, let's talk about the consumables and premium promises add-on. So these are inbuilt feature in the signature variant, but in the elite variant, they are available as add-on. So with this add-on, around 68 types of consumables such as gloves, syringe, along with admission charge, record charges, and insurance processing charges are covered 100%. Along with this, the premium promise feature ensures that your premium remains unchanged as long as you do not make a claim or until you reach the age of 55 years. So this makes it a highly valuable feature for long-term policyholders. And another important add-on is Insta Care Cover. It also known as ABC Cover, which is available only in the signature variant. Under this, pre-existing lifestyle conditions such as asthma, blood pressure, cholesterol are covered from the 31st day itself. So if someone already has conditions like BP or asthma, this add-on in the signature variant provides a strong advantage. And if you are looking for more flexibility in room selection, the room rent enhancement add-on is available in both signature and elite variant. And with this add-on, the insured can choose any type of room at the time of hospitalization. And this is especially useful for those who prefer private or higher category rooms for their treatment. Next is the PED buyback add-on, which allow you to reduce the waiting period for pre-existing disease from 3 years to either 2 years or even 1 year. So this add-on is available only in the signature variant, making it a strong advantage for individuals with existing medical condition. And the personal accident add-on is available in both signature and elite variant. It provides coverage of up to 1 crore in case of accidental death or permanent total disability. This acts as an additional financial protection layer along with your health insurance, which can be extremely helpful for your family during emergencies. And if we talk about hospital cash benefit, which is also available in both signature and elite variant. So under this add-on, if the hospitalization exceeds 24 hours, you receive a fixed daily payout. And the daily amount varies based on the sum insured. For example, 1,000 rupees per day for 5 lakh sum insured, 1,500 rupees per day for 7.5 lakh sum insured, and 10 lakh sum insured, and 2,000 rupees per day for 15 lakh sum insured and 20 lakh sum insured, 2,500 rupees per day for 25 lakh sum insured, and 3,000 rupees per day for 50 lakh sum insured and above. And under this benefit, you can claim for a maximum of 10 days per hospitalization and up to 120 days in a policy year. So this help in managing additional expenses during hospital stay, such as food, travel, or attendant costs, which are usually not covered under standard health insurance. And if we talk about the premium saving add-ons in Galaxy Promise, where you get the option of a deductible. Through this feature, you can significantly reduce your premium. The company offers both aggregate deductible and per claim deductible option, which are available in both signature and elite variant. So in the case of an aggregate deductible, you have to bear the selected deductible amount once in a policy year, and usually on the first claim, and the remaining amount is settled by the insurer. Here you can choose deductible option of 25,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees or 1 lakh, and based on the selected sum insured, you can get a discount ranging from 13% to 45% on your premium. And in the per claim deductible, you have to bear the selected deductible amount on every claim, and the rest is covered by the insurer. In this option, you can select 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees as your deductible, which gives you a premium discount ranging from 7.5% to 15%. So overall, Galaxy Promise add-on provides complete flexibility. Whether you want extra coverage, reduce waiting periods, manage daily hospital expenses, or smartly lower your premium. If you choose the right combination of variants and add-ons, you can make your policy truly customized and future ready. Now let's move to the discounts, where savings are designed based on your lifestyle. So here you get multiple type of discount that can significantly reduce your overall premium. First is the long-term discount, where you get a 10% discount if you pay for a 2-year policy upfront, and 12.5% discount if you opt for a 3-year policy and pay the premium in one go. And the second benefit is the Gala Fit Pro Active Care discount, where you can avail up to 20% discount by maintaining an active lifestyle through the wellness program. And this is especially beneficial for individuals who follow healthy habits and regularly engage in fitness activities. The third unique discount is the organ donor premium waiver. If an insured person is a voluntary organ donor, the insurer waives off the premium for that insured individual and their immediate family member of up to 2 years, provided they are covered under the same policy. Apart from this, you have the option to choose no claim discount instead of a cumulative bonus, and it's allow you to directly reduce your premium. And one of the most powerful saving option is the deductible discount. If you opt for a deductible, you can avail up to 45% discount on your premium, and making Galaxy Promise a highly budget friendly and flexible plan. So by choosing the right combination, you can achieve significant savings on your premium without compromising on coverage. And talking about the waiting periods, Galaxy Promise plan comes with 30 days initial waiting period, 2-year waiting period for specific disease, and 3 years waiting period for pre-existing disease. However, with the help of add-ons, you can modify and reduce these waiting periods. So overall, the signature plan is best suited for those who want a premium all-in-one health insurance with benefits like maternity, fertility treatments, newborn coverage, and unlimited restoration. And the elite plan is ideal for those who want premium feature but within a more balanced budget. And the premier plan is a good option for beginners or first-time buyers who are looking for basic protection along with essential benefits. And if you want to choose the best Galaxy Promise variant based on your family size, age, and budget, you can book your free consultation with PolicyHub, and link is given in the description. I hope this video helped you to understand about Galaxy Health Insurance, and if it is, then do like it, share it, and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.